Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today so far with whatever you're doing. It's going to be an amazing start to the week. Welcome to Livewire TV. This is the place where we like to interview business experts in their areas of expertise. I am super excited to bring on my next guest for tomorrow, Tracy Hoffman. Tracy and I connected a few weeks ago, and we just immediately hit it off, really. And with what she does about intellectual property, I thought that was really, really interesting, because as we started to talking and the conversation started to grow, I realized how important intellectual property actually is. And that's why I'm super excited to bring her on, because I know that she's going to be educating you guys on how you can literally avoid getting into trouble with the law. And it's actually really easy to get into trouble with the law. So that's why I'm super excited to bring on Tracy, who's going to be sharing with us tips and strategies on how you can avoid intellectual property laws as well. So Tracy, I'm going to hand it over to you to give us a brief introduction to yourself.
Okay, yeah, so hello everyone, my name is Tracy Hoffman. I have been working at the Swedish IP office for many years before I started my own business. And in all the entrepreneur groups, I have seen how people keep making up names that they can't protect as a trademark, or using logos that already exist and that's a risk of infringement, and you can get in trouble with the law. And you can also miss out on business because you might have to change the whole business and rebrand everything. So that's the challenges I have seen, and that's why I'm starting trainings in intellectual property for entrepreneurs.
How does intellectual property apply to like businesses that have already been very well established?
Actually, it's quite common that people have mixed up when they register the business name. They sometimes forget to also register trademark. So even if you already exist, sometimes you don't have the trademark. You have been in business for years and you haven't done that. But if you already have your trademark, you're established, you still need to consider copyright when you post on social media, or if you use music, or because you're also using other people's rights. So you need to know if you have do you have a license, or do you have the right? Is it free usage, and etc. So yeah.
Oh, amazing. So what can people expect from the main interview tomorrow?
Yeah, we can go into how to search if a name is free or not. Yeah. So you know that, and also that you need to like what can be protected as a trademark. We can go through that too, because it can also be other things than just the logo or the name.
Yeah, and from what I understand, these laws that you're going to be sharing with us are pretty universal, aren't they? Like they apply to pretty much any country in the world, don't they?
They are, like the basics are the same, but it's also different in different countries. So I would also, even though if you listen to my shows or like the interview, you need to go to a local expert too, because there are variations in different countries. So all the laws are not the same, but like the trademarks, like the intellectual property exists everywhere. So yeah.
Right. And this is something that I wasn't really aware of until really, really recently. And I'm surprised at how many businesses aren't actually aware of it as well, until unfortunately it's just way too late. So guys, make sure you join in tomorrow live right here on Livewire TV, 12 p.m. UK time, where we're going to be diving so much more deeper into the subject of intellectual property and how you can avoid getting into trouble with the law. See you then. Have a great day.
Thank you.